In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter form in Elementor. We'll keep it simple by using a plugin, which gives you a reliable form builder and a shortcode you can drop right into your Elementor page. Start in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type the name of the tool you prefer. You can choose MailChimp for WordPress, often listed as MC4WP, WP Forms Lite, or Fluent Forms. All three have free versions and work smoothly with Elementor. Click Install, then Activate. If you already have one installed, you're ready to move on. Next, create your newsletter form inside the plugin. The idea is the same across each tool. Build a simple form that collects at least an email address and optionally a first name. In MC4WP, you'll find a Forms section where you can create a new form and adjust the default fields. In WP Forms Lite, click WP Forms in the sidebar, choose Add New, and start from a blank form or a simple template. Add fields like name and email, set required status, and save. In Fluent Forms, open Fluent Forms, click Add a new form, pick a basic layout, then add or remove fields as needed. Give your form a clear title such as Newsletter Sign Up, write a short success message for after submission, and save your changes. Keeping labels clear and the number of fields minimal usually improves sign-up rates. After saving, copy the form's shortcode. Each plugin displays it prominently, either at the top of the form editor or in the list of forms. The shortcode is a small bracketed snippet that represents your form. Highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now open the page you want to edit with Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor, choose where the form should appear, and add a new section if needed. In the Elementor sidebar, search for the shortcode widget. Drag it into your section, then paste the shortcode into the field provided. You should see a preview of the form appear in the editor. If you don't, update the page and use the preview option to confirm it displays on the front end. Adjust spacing, alignment, and surrounding content with Elementor's layout controls so the form looks consistent with your design. When you're satisfied, click Update to publish your changes. That's it. Use a plugin, create your newsletter form, copy the shortcode, and paste it into Elementor using the shortcode widget. This approach keeps things flexible, fast, and easy to maintain.